Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how I plan to prepare these gigantic crabs. They are so big. So please stay tuned and cook with me guys. For this recipe I'm using 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I'm also using 6 cloves of garlic already chopped, and unsalted butter. You can also use salted butter if that's what you prefer. In this case I'm going to use about 150 gram of butter, and I will be using 7-Up as well. So I have about 450 ml of 7-Up in this cup already dispensed into the cup. Yeah, so Sprite can also be used. You can use 7-Up or Sprite. So in this case, I'm using 7-Up. And of course, the crabs. After turning on the heat, I'm going to add the 7-Up. So I'll add it to it and allow it to cook. I'll give it some time to boil. So I'm going to cover it now and just basically wait until it starts boiling. Okay, so it's beginning to boil now. And this is the perfect time to flip the crab over. Okay, so I'm going to leave it to boil for another 7 to 8 minutes. At this stage, I'm just going to flip over the crabs. You can see how red the other side of the crab is. And next, I'll add the butter and allow it to melt gradually. I'm also going to add the garlic. At this point, I used 6 cloves of garlic. This is the best time to add all the ingredients when the level of the 7-Up has really gone down. So next I'll add the salt and the black pepper. So I'll basically wait for the butter to melt. It's going to melt gradually. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to cover it for another few minutes. about 5 minutes more. garlic butter crab. I have left this to boil for 5 minutes after adding the ingredients, just to make sure that the ingredients are well cooked. Now the garlic butter crab is almost ready. This is a very nice recipe to try out, guys. The 7-Up or Sprite, whichever one you choose to use, gives it a specific kind of flavor that you can only experience when you try it out. The taste is really nice and it smells really good. So I encourage you to try this out, guys. So our garlic butter crab is almost done. The garlic butter crab is pretty much ready. Now I'm going to add the ginger and butter broth to it. Thank you for watching, and remember to try out this recipe. Also remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Bye.